So we have complex sugars, complex proteins, and then we have simple proteins and simple sugars. So we know that simplicity is the way of the world, for us at least.
Wait, go back to the cancer. You were talking about how
Cancer is always in the body. To some extent, it's just your body's ability to eliminate and
because cancer is what, just you
a
said
damaged cell.
Just a damaged cell.
So your body has basically what I would call police officers that go around identifying if someone's damaged or someone's not damaged, and then it removes it. You know what I'm saying?
Through
so your body,
what? Through
phagocytosis. It just encloses. You know what I'm saying? It eats,
through like your boo boo.
It eats it. Yeah, it's called apoptosis. It eats a cell, and then it gets whatever's good left in it, and then it digests it out. You know what I'm saying? You have micro digestion, you have macro digestion. So whenever you're constipated on the macro scale, you're constipated on the micro scale. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So you have to hydrate the cell. You have to flush. You know what I'm saying? Using H3O2 and things like that. So when it comes to complex amino acid structures and simple ones, you get simple amino acid structures through plants and fruits and things like that. When you get a complex amino acid structure, it's from an animal such as yourself that just already used the amino acid structures in plants and then put it onto itself. It's its body, its flesh, you know what I'm saying? So you're getting leftover byproducts of another animal, and then you're eating it. Your body's never able to digest any part of that. Like, it never actually gets digested. Like, even when it hits your saliva, this is made for plants and, you know, fruit. So when you put it into your mouth, it just sits on your stomach longer. That's why when you mix it with things like starches, or it just complexes your meal and complicates the digestion process. So
do you understand this, Mr. Brown? I don't know, Mama.
So basically, they sold us on the idea that complex protein is what's required, when no matter what, even if you're eating the protein, it never actually translates into your body. You know what I'm saying? Your body's made for simple amino acid structures, and you get that through fruit. That's why people they think fruit and plants don't have protein, because it's not the protein that they've made you think you needed. You know what I'm saying?
So that's why we got to get back to the basics.
Right. If they're telling you need to get bricks, but I told you that you have everything you need to build in a wood house, you're not going to look at that like it's even resources, because they told you need bricks. You know what I'm saying? So, simple amino acid structures is what your body is made out of. It's what the DNA is made out of. So that's why when I say you're unlocking your DNA by eating fruits and plants, that's because it has information inside of it. When you're eating the information of an animal, it's just dead. Like, it's
you're
flesh.
Eating death.
It's literally already done the job that you're trying to do. You're trying to skip the process of eating the plants and fruits by eating a dead flesh that's already eating that stuff. And, you know, the stuff that we're getting in America, it's not eating actual plants. It's eating plant meal. It's eating, you know, chicken feed, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? But they're usually eating each other's shit if they're sitting on top of each other. And, you know, pork, pigs, they eat anything on the ground. So there's different levels to it. And then we also take the detoxification centers of the animal's liver, you know what I'm saying, the intestines and all that. So, you know, who knows what, like, you literally have to clean out chitlins. You have to clean, like, it's a whole process. You know what I'm saying? There's no process when it comes to nature. There's no process when it comes to high frequency foods. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's a pretty straightforward. God didn't make it to be complex. We don't need fire. We really don't need utensils for anything that we really need on this earth. You know what I'm saying? We shouldn't need glasses, mugs for our water, you know?
Right, because we're supposed to get our
You're supposed
water.
to walk around, harvest, look, oh. If you're thirsty, you eat the mango. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty simple. It looks good because nothing about an animal looks attractive to the human eye. We can't kill it.
Why? How did we get started eating meat like that anyway? Bye-bye. Okay. All right.